Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: device OS and region compatibility, plus an updated Play Store or App Store and Google Play services. Once done, open Google Pay and sign out if already signed in. This resets cached session states. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect clocks break authentication. Then force close the app and restart your phone so system services reinitialize. These first steps remove common state errors and prepare the app for deeper fixes. Next, you tackle data and account links. Clear Google Pay cache and, if needed, app data to remove corrupted local files. Make sure to back up any required receipts. Reconnect permissions, location, contacts, NFC, and camera for card scanning. Remove the problematic card and re-add it so the tokenization process runs fresh. Call your bank if tokenization fails or the card is blocked. Also verify any spend limits or pending verification from your bank. These often block payments without obvious app errors. To finish, validate functionality with a small contactless tap or in an app purchase so you can observe success or specific error codes. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Google Pay to rebuild app dependencies, or try the web wallet as a temporary workaround. Make note of any error code or message. That detail speeds bank or Google support troubleshooting. If all else fails, contact your bank to check token status and Google support with logs. This combined approach resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.